Our topic for the day is refurbished IT hardware. Sustainable business committed to promoting social, environmental, and economical stability. We believe that promoting sustainability can create more help in preventing environment, and it is more cost effective for business and as well as for the customers. So our company for the day is Tech Bazaar. The company aims in selling second-hand or refurbished IT hardware so that they can minimize e-waste in the country and in globally. Advantages of using refurbished IT hardware are cost effective for customers. There are very few rules and regulations for refurbished IT hardware. It helps for environment and gets better warranty for the product. So statistics are like in 2019 there was more than 50 million metric tons of e-waste generated, but only 17.4% of that was recycled.
This slide tells us about the importance and significance of sustainable development in a business model. It educates customer about environmental benefits and promotes environmental awareness. It also contributes to a sustainable economy, reduces waste and greenhouse gas emission. It also helps in extension of the life of existing hardware, which in turn results in minimizing the hardware waste or electronic waste on the planet. It also uses sustainable or reusable material. This is the business sustainability goal of the firm, which includes recycling of the older material into new second-hand and sustainable IT hardware, circular economy, sustainable consumption of the product, minimization of waste, sharing economy, green economy, and zero emission. Research and development. It helps in high potentiality to increase income, to develop sustainable production techniques, and to conduct customer surveys, and to solve environmental problems. Marketing. Green label marketing. It involves the delivery of the product to the end customer with minimizing most of the environmental IT waste. It promotes the environmental benefits of refurbished hardware and develops a sustainable marketing strategy. Supports sustainable events and sponsorships.
How can finance department contribute in sustainable development? Invest more in sustainable packing, allocating funds for sustainable initiatives, and investing in energy efficient equipment. HR department promote sustainable practices among employees, offer sustainability training and development, develop a sustainability focused employee engagement program. Conclusion. Laptop refurbishment is booming industry that benefits individuals, business, and the environment. As technology advances, so will the demand for low-cost, long-term solutions, making laptop refurbishment an increasingly important options. By addressing the challenge and consideration in laptop refurbishment, we can ensure that refurbished laptops meet the same quality standards as new devices. With continued innovation and investment in this field, the future of laptop refurbishment appears bright. Thank you.